Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix Stellar Blade not launching or it just keeps crashing. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and make your way over to Steam and then go over to Library. From here, right click on Stellar Blade. Once you find it, hit Properties and then go over to Installed Files, and then from here go ahead and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now once that is done, you can go ahead and X out of Steam. That should be the first solution for the error code. The second method you guys can try doing is by going over to the search bar, typing in Device Manager. From the Device Manager, go ahead and make your way over to Display Adapters, right click on your GPU and hit Update Driver, and then go ahead and choose Search Automatically for drivers. Now this is a way of updating your drivers. Another way is by going over to the NVIDIA app directly, if you have it, and then go over to drivers and then download an update from here. Now if you're on AMD, you can use the AMD equivalent app, or you can just manually install it from a browser of your choice. And once you do all of these methods, I highly recommend restarting your PC right after as well, and then you guys should be good to go. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.